What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and welcome to A Basin opening day. Now, this has got to be one of the busiest opening days in Colorado. We're super excited. We were at Wolf Creek opening day yesterday. That was super fun, but today we're at A Basin and it's busy. So we're gonna take a nice mellow run. I'm gonna show you what's open top to bottom, see if you guys want to come out and rip or if you want to wait. So let's check out the conditions and let's send it. Now, this is a 360 video, so you know, like, look around. All right, so if you couldn't tell from the riding, pretty early season conditions, hard snow, a little bit of rocks in there. So bring your rock snowboard, your rock skis. It's gonna be a little busy too. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. Also, if you want to support this channel and everything I'm doing, I'm gonna go to all opening days and stuff for you guys. You can snag some Evolution merch. Your tell us making me do this for a living. And with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.